and welcome to this review of the Godox CL60 LED light. Here it is, and I've disassembled it, and it comes with this stand, so I could put it together like this and put it down. But I'm going to hold it like this for a moment as I give my overview. So as you can see on the back, we have a swivel mount, and the idea with this is it's a background light really. It's to give some sort of ambiance and colour and stuff like that. So you're going to want to swivel it up and down. So you can mount it on a standard light stand, or you can mount it on this holder. Now what's quite good is the holder or the base can move around. So if we're pointing it forward like so, we're going to want the base to point forward. But if we are pointing it upwards, then it would obviously tip over, so we can tilt the base round, and that's going to mean it's less likely to tip over. So I'm just going to take it off the base so I can talk about it a bit more. At the back we have a power button, an IR sensor and a USB-C input, because this doesn't come with its own batteries. In fact, it came with a non-UK plug, so I couldn't even use this plug if I wanted to. And it also came with a really long USB-C cable. So you put your USB-C cable in here and you plug it into either the wall, or you can plug it into a power bank. I'm going to use this with a power bank, and I was using it with a power bank in the intro video, and I was using it on a 1 watt power bank output, so it uses very little energy. One thing I don't like is this USB cable does seem a little bit flimsy, and as I've already pointed out, it can move and it probably will fall over at some point. And when it does fall over, you're going to smash that USB cable. There's no way of avoiding that. That is going to break. That is certainly a weak point in the design. You can see here we have a little Bluetooth mark because it can work with a mobile app. It also comes with this chunky remote, and this remote looks really off-putting, but actually this remote is really good. So this remote will get picked up by the IR sensor at the back. So you point your remote at this, and it means you can turn it on and off, you can increase and decrease the brightness. So you can go and set it to white, you can set it to blue, and you've got all these different shades here that you can set it to. You can change the colour here, and you can decrease the colour temperature here. So this works really well. Down the bottom we've got various effects. This one here just cycles through the colours. This one here mimics flash photography. This one here mimics candlelight. This one here mimics a fire, so on and so forth. This one is the music one, and it will respond to beats or voice or sound. So the front is sort of cheap plastic, but it doesn't need to be any better. It's already picked up a few sort of scratches and imperfections, but it doesn't need to be anything special, because all you're going to do with this is point it at a wall, or point it at a background, or point it at a product and just light it up. The quality of the light doesn't need to be brilliant either. You can find this between £50 and £60, and for what it does, I think it does it very well. And I think it's incredibly useful. Thank you. Goodbye.